Okay, so once again I film. Here are three Logitech Z5500 mounted in a car with house electricity. You can put it in a decent converter for, I don't know, like 200 euros, and you have in your car without any problems. But okay, let's show you how this works, each system by one, and then we're going to open three at once to see what's the difference like. And yeah, that is very good to have this system in a car. So here I have three consoles, cables and so on, and here are speakers just for them to have the volume. Doesn't matter, it's not mounted, as I said, just to show you how this works. So let's just close the hatchet. Okay, and now let's try one music to see how this works. Okay, I will just put one by one. Put tähän hyvä. Works? Works. Okay, now it's only one system. Let's see. This is one. Pali da? Možda da? Okay. Kazi. Let's So there you have it, a very little experiment of how this works and how we will mount. So yes, folks, this is triple Z5500 and looking forward to add more systems. Okay.